Hi, we're Maddie and Nico, and we are turning this empty cargo van into this tiny home on wheels. We have no building experience, but we'll take you along each step as we transform our 2020 Ford Transit van. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are installing our versatile audio screen. This is a package that we were sent to try out. We've been wanting to upgrade our van screen because, as you can see, it's really tiny. And one thing that's cool about the versatile audio screen is that it connects your phone via Bluetooth, or you can do an aux cord or a radio transponder even, and you get Apple CarPlay or you get Android Auto.
So yeah, this is one of the easiest ways to get CarPlay in the base level Ford Transit. We just can't upgrade this very easily, and if we did, it would cost maybe around $1,000. So this is a great alternative.
You don't have to go behind your stereo. You don't have to hire someone to do this. You can easily do this yourself. So we're gonna show you exactly how simple it is.
Okay, so in the box we have obviously the unit itself. Voila. It's got a pretty big screen, bigger than my phone, which will be nice for maps. It has a sticky pad, so this is how you mount it. We're gonna mount this right about here, and it comes off just with a twist. It also doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, and I believe you just need 12 volt to power it. Also in the box we have the 12 volt cord, which is just a USB-C on the back. And when you plug this in, it also has a USB-A, so you can still, charge your phone from that outlet. So in our car, we have a nice 12 volt outlet right here. So it's super easy. That just plugs in. You take the USB-C side and you just plug it right back here and it turns on. Okay, so this is kind of where I want to mount the unit. And to do that, like I said earlier, it has a sticky pad, so we just need to pull that off. But first, I'm going to take some isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel and just clean the surface really well. And let that dry for 10 seconds. And just give it a nice firm press and let it stick. So once you have this stuck, it helps if you remove this off the sticky pad and just press down here just to make sure it's all stuck to the dash. Sweet. So also in the box we have a backup camera. I don't know if we're going to use this because the van already has a backup camera, and this would have been nice if we hadn't built our van out already, so I could run the wires up in the ceiling or whatever, but I don't know if I'm going to use this. And then it comes with an aux cord, just in case you need an aux cord, which in our case we don't. We're just going to connect it via Bluetooth. So now that I have this all stuck down, I'll show you how easy it is to connect. In our case, we're going to use Bluetooth. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this with an Android. What I'm going to do is just go to my Bluetooth settings, scroll down to other devices because I haven't connected this yet. I'm going to hit CarKit 0870. It's a pairing request, so pair. I can sync my contacts, and now I'm connected here. The last thing that will pop up in your Bluetooth settings is use CarPlay. So you want to allow this, so click use CarPlay. And once that happens, you don't even have to touch this. It'll just show up with your phone. So now I have full control over Google Maps. I can go to Spotify. I can call people from here. Mainly, I'm just going to use this for maps because it's a bigger screen than my phone. So now I've connected it to my phone. So now I'll show you how to connect it to the van itself. This might be a little bit different depending on what car you have, but should be similar. So I'm going to go to Bluetooth, view devices, and then my phone. I guess it's already connected. So really, you're still playing music from your Bluetooth from your phone to the car stereo if you have a Bluetooth stereo. If you want to play music from this, all you have to do is connect your phone to the original Bluetooth that's in the car. My phone is already connected to the car. So what's happening is this is talking to my phone, but my phone is talking to the car stereo. So I can go here into Spotify, go to my favorite podcast.
You okay?
And there we are. Just like in CarPlay too, you can look at what you have on Spotify or whatever music player you have, and you can have split mode so I can see my map Spotify. I can control this with my voice. If I hit voice up here,
Another cool thing about this is that it is removable, so you could go plug it in and play music elsewhere because it has its own built-in speakers. So like when we're not driving the van, I can just unhook it, take it with me, and plug it into any USB-C cable, and then it will be powered. So I can then play music right here. Voila, we have a speaker without our car needing to be on.
So one other thing this CarPlay device has is a backup camera. Like I said, I don't think we're gonna use this, but I will demonstrate how you could use it. You have your camera attached to this cord, so you just wanna plug it in there. It goes into the AV port back there. If you're gonna set up this camera, basically you have this wire that plugs into the back of the device, and then you have this red wire. And what you do with this red wire is you want to tap into your reverse lights. So when your reverse lights turn on, it sends a signal down this wire to the camera to tell that to be a backup camera and actually show you the camera. So I'll just demonstrate here. I have power right down here. So you just put it in reverse. So it's in reverse now. Then once I take it out of reverse, it goes back to whatever screen was before. So if you were on CarPlay, it'd go back to CarPlay.
So we've been driving with the versatile audio screen for a week or so now, and we really like it. Having CarPlay is a nice upgrade to have in the van. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a like and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We'll be coming out with new videos on Sundays documenting this whole van build. We're getting close to the end of our entire build, which is exciting.
So if you're looking for something that gives you instant CarPlay, you can check out the versatile audio screen. We'll put a link down below.